We land in 15 minutes. We'll enter the Sky Temple from the terrestrial entrance.
Why not go straight there?
It exists in a different quantum state, slightly out of phase from our reality. It can't be reached by conventional means.
What?
It's just us. No one's coming to help. We either pull this off
We will get it done.
By the... What is that?
Don't know, but it's headed right for us.
Oh, their gods have mercy.
Buckle up, people. I gotta put her down. Looks like the temple entrance is 15 clicks that way.
Moonlight walk in the woods. Another time, it'd be relaxing.
I wouldn't have pegged you for outdoorsy.
My mother and I live near a forest a lot like this. Really takes me back.
After we wrap this up, we should go. Fuck me. We're grounded. That shockwave fried the leads. Then let's get going. We're almost out of time.
What are they doing here?
Looking for the amulet, I bet.
We have to tell them about Shinnok. Call a truce.
Bring them to me!
Or not.
The woods. Come on.
Be quiet. Sneaky.
Ermac, we sense them, but the forest teems with souls.
Yes. So close.
Jackie, look out!
You hurt him? You answer to me. That's why you're losing.
You feeling me now?
Go crawl back under your rock, reptile. Stop! You need water. Lean your head back. Can you see?
Yeah, it's fuzzy, but...
Better?
Beautiful. Lady's choice.
I've got our Mac.
You are spawn of Jackson Briggs.
And damn proud of it. I know what you did to him.
We took your father's arms. We will take all of you.
Next time I'd block. I play for keeps. Come strong or not at all. Aw, damn. Feeling me now? That was for you, Dad.
Squeeze, squeeze, Tor! Your eyes, so bright. Gonna carve them out! Trickery! Deceit!
No more tricks. Just a straight up beatdown. Next time I block. Bria, enjoying yourself so far? You ain't all that. Want some more? 2 for 1. I'll take it.
We know Devora is here. Where is the amulet?
Kotal Khan, the situation has changed.
Do not fling your spittle at me.
You tell him?
Not yet.
He needs to know
Busy!
I will kill you both.
that Shinnok's been freed. He's at Raiden's Sky Temple. He's already infected Earthrealm's life force.
The heavens boil. Earthrealm is lost.
Not if we hang together.
I will appease Shinnok. Bring him your heads. Gain time to bolster Outworld's defenses.
You need to help us, Kotal Khan.
It is too late for Earthrealm. Shinnok is now its master.
Aw, damn.
Taste the blade of Oshtek! Death comes to all.
Want some more? You get no sympathy points.
Taste the blade of Oshtek!
Roll now. You're a coward, Emperor. Just look at you.
Shinnok is now its master.
Come on, roll now. Fighting the wrong battle. Want some more? You should have been with us.
That's enough.
Fuck me. Don't know about you guys, but I'm living the dream.
You have odd dreams.
Chattel, you die tonight. Nita!
You stood together against formidable odds. Lesser warriors would not have fared so well.
Thanks, Grandmaster.
I will remain here to push Kotal Khan back to Outworld. Proceed to the Sky Temple. Earthrealm's fate lies with you.